Now to fix the most annoying problem with this truck. No hood struts. But we got them. Not bad. All right, so let's take a quick look at what's in the box. First off, we've got 2 struts, couple bolts, and then we have our brackets, 1 for each side basically. And that's it, pretty simple. All right, installing these is super simple. All you have to do is remove a bolt here and a bolt there. I'm going to show you which bolt this was. This guy right there by the brake booster. That bolt out. This is the left side bracket, the one that doesn't have the little tab on it. The bolt. And then you want the slope to be back, so it's going to mount like that. Right in there. There you go. Then you get your hood strut, points down. You just want to kind of pop this little clip out a little bit to give yourself a little bit more clearance inside. Now we're on. Same thing with the bottom one. After this, I'm going to have to raise the hood a little more than what it's going to want me to raise it. Voila! One is in. So on this side, our location is this pre-threaded hole with nothing in it. And as you can see, the bracket has a little tab on there. So it'll just kind of like sit in that little pre-threaded hole kind of perfectly. This is the negative terminal, so you don't have to worry about accidentally touching it with your socket or whatever. Not a big deal. Alright, and let's undo this one. Same as before. I'll show you guys something. Clearly, they were concerned about noise from these, so they greased these bolts as they put them into the hood so that as the hood flexes, it doesn't squeak. So hopefully we don't induce a squeak by putting these on, but we'll see. It's really gross stuff. It's like sticky on my fingers. Alright. Same as before, the strut goes down. See if I can get this one on without prying it out. Kind of wiggle them a little bit side to side. Yeah, there we go. That works. Alright, let me go take the hood prop down and get the bottom part on. You have one leftover bolt. There we go. Notice stick is down. Works pretty good.